So using Boxcutter to help out with this example, we're just going to click and drag to create a quick shape, and I'm just going to shift to keep it live. And if we press Q, we see that we have an option for ArrayV2, and we see that in the tooltip that control clicking will add a new array, which for the first array, we don't need to add a new tooltip. And since I'm in 2D mode, I'm going to press V in order to set it to 3D mode, which means that the array will attempt to follow my cursor. And from here, we can simply just add to our array by rolling the wheel, and we see that it will add these segments in between. And if we click and apply, this is one way for us to just get out and examine our array before we add another array, which we could just press Q and control click ArrayV2, press V to jump into 3D mode, and we're able to basically array in between. Don't want to give it too many segments or it'll look weird. And from here, just left mouse click and we have applied this array as well. However, when I say apply, I mean we've added the modifier. We haven't applied the modifier because it is still live. If I were to press Q, we could go to ArrayV2 again, and if I wanted to, I could control click it, and the axis left to us is the Z axis, where we see that now the ability to additively add arrays on a shape using control has now been restored. Previously it was having some issues. 3.0 broke quite a few things, and one of the things that it broke was Array 3.0, but I'm just happy to announce that now ArrayV2 has been repaired for Blender 3.0 and should now work as intended.